Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a good day, and I know I am because you're watching my video. That's right, we're painting Moon Knight today from Marvel Zombies, who's air primed in a matte gray, because we're going to be using a flexible triad of warm grays and whites to actually highlight white. Yes, that's right folks, because it's so hard to figure out what's the best way to highlight white. Well, you always start off with a gray, and the first one is a light olive gray called Great Hall Gray. That's a lot of grays in one sentence, or many sentences, but anyways, I'm pretty much just flopping this on there, splashing it on, and I didn't use any stabilizer or anything like that because I wanted it to go on nice and smooth and cover up the gray that was underneath, but not completely, leaving some of the shadows and then coming back just over it quickly to be able to just have a complete coverage of the areas I want. And it's pretty much the entire person, like entirely of Moon Knight. As you can see, what I did is I actually sort of like dry brushed like quickly over his face so that the background stays the darker gray. And I'm not even going to use a shade or a wash or a speed paint on this. This is simply going to be made with the Warpaints Fanatics range, which, by the way, again, I'm just blown away by it. I love this set. I don't think any other paint could compare, in my opinion. I love it. Brain Matter Beige, which is a very light yellowish gray now from the same flexible triad. We're doing this again just to raise edges as much as possible, giving it a little bit more depth to the white, and then coming in with a finishing touch of matte white, which is just white, and really just highlighting as much as possible. Don't forget to let it dry between each layer. All right, then we're going to head over to some speed paints because I really want to get this guy just painted, done with, and we're using Talus bronze on that statue and the part that's attached to the building, or the rubble of the building anyways. Just super simple paint job. I didn't know if I should do something else with the statue because it was kind of a pinkish metal, and the Talus bronze kind of gives me that, but then I'm like, is it too shiny? But then the color I choose for the bricks in the back wasn't the right brown orange I wanted, but it ends up like almost meshing into this one, which is Goddess Glow, and almost has the same like hue as the Talus bronze, so having it shiny makes it look okay, I guess, and these bricks look a little bit more brick-like. I don't know. Anyways, I like it. You can do whatever you want, right? The bases on these are pretty much open-ended. You can have a lot of fun with them. Ochre clay now for the rest of the dirt and the rock and rubble and all that stuff around. This is like a brownish yellow color, pretty cool. I like it for rubble and stuff like that. And there you go, man. Like seriously, under like 10 minutes you can have Moon Knight from Marvel Zombies painted and ready. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying all these videos. I still have quite a few more to do, tons of Marvel Zombies. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.